What you doing? There's Marshall.
Come on,
Hi,
guys.
Marshall. Hi, Marshall. There's Haley. Haley's chasing Grammy's feet. Don't chase Grammy's feet. Chase Tyler. There's Marshall and Haley together, chasing Grammy around. All right, and there's Lotso, because there's Lotso of him. And here's our little runt. Oh, there goes Daddy, guys. Where'd Daddy go? No more holes. Can't fall into holes anymore. Oh, Daddy jumped up on the deck. Hi, babies. And there's our other white and red boy that's going to live up the road from here with his brother, the Great Dane. Chase Tyler. Oh, who's chasing Tyler?
No one.
There we go. Now they're coming.
Come on. Come on.
There's our little puppy parade. Who's chasing Tyler? We need to get the slide out here so we can show everybody how they slide down the slide.
It's gonna be wet.
I know, it'll be a slip and slide.
Yeah.
What you doing, Haley? There she is. Haley girl. Haley. Go chase Tyler. Go with your brother. Go with your brothers. She says, oh, okay. Okay, Grammy. Nothing cuter than that.
Get all you fat.
Chase Tyler. Lotso, you need to run because there's Lotso of you. Look at you, buddy.
Look at your fat butt.
You big fat butt. Hey, Marshall. Marshall, what you doing?
What? Why are you rolling over? Huh?
Hi, Marshall. Oh.
There's one behind you.
You can see my shadow. Oops, I think I'm running out of battery. What you guys doing? Oh, oh, you're chasing me.
My puppy's going to the toes every time.
There's Bubsy Jr. Just like Daddy, aren't you, buddy?
Sati, come
I
here.
hope this is still recording. It'd be awful if I was sitting here holding it and it wasn't even recording.
Sophie, come here. Come feed the babies. Come on, Sophie.
What you doing, buddy?
Come on,
You don't
Sophie,
want to be
come
over
feed
with
the
everybody else? All around Tyler's feet? Oh, they say these little sausage toes, especially with the sandals on sticking out, are just delicious.
Maybe I should get those foot socks.
Those look beautiful,
So they can
Tyler.
each have
Look,
their
I've
own.
zoomed right in on your toes.
I should get the toe socks.
You should get toe
Individual
socks.
toe.
Be like little sausages for them all to eat.
I know, they go right for them. Yeah.
What you doing? Little Miss Haley. Haley. You want to show your mommy how you slide down the slide?